Welcome to our YouTube short series on common jobs and their names in English. In this video, we will be showcasing various professions and their corresponding English terms. Let's begin with the first job, cashier. A cashier is responsible for handling financial transactions in a store or business. Next, we have the software engineer. A software engineer designs and develops computer software and applications. Moving on to the medical field, we have the doctor. A doctor is a licensed medical professional who diagnoses and treats illnesses and injuries. In an office setting, we have the office assistant. An office assistant provides administrative support and helps with various tasks in an office environment. Now let's talk about the teacher. A teacher is an educator who imparts knowledge and instructs students in various subjects. In the food service industry, we have the server. A server takes orders and delivers food and beverages to customers in a restaurant or cafe. Next, we have the cook. A cook prepares and cooks food in a professional kitchen or restaurant. Moving on to sales, we have the sales representative. A sales representative promotes and sells products or services to customers. In the construction industry, we have the construction worker. A construction worker performs manual labor and assists in building structures. Lastly, we have the police officer. A police officer enforces laws, maintains public order, and protects citizens in their jurisdiction. Thank you for watching our YouTube shorts on common jobs and their names in English. Stay tuned for more educational content.